रोटेशनल मोशन क्या है? रोटेशनल मोशन देखिए, इससे पहले हमने पढ़ा था सर्कुलर मोशन। सर्कुलर मोशन होता है किसी एक पार्टिकल के लिए, इट इज द सेंटर ऑफ सर्किल व्हेन अ पार्टिकल इज मूविंग अलोंग circumference of a circle. A particle is moving along circumference of a circle, maintaining a fixed distance from a given point. This motion is called circular motion. This motion is called circular motion. This circular motion is considered for point object. Point object. Point object का मीनिंग क्या है? The size of object. The size का मीनिंग diameter of object is much less than the radius of circular motion. In case of solar system, the size of Earth or the diameter of Earth is much less than the radius of its orbit. Therefore, the entire Earth may be considered as a point object. हालांकि अर्थ पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, बहुत बड़ी है, but the diameter of Earth is much less than the radius of orbit. So this huge Earth can be considered as point object. Now, if the diameter of the body, the size of body is comparable to radius of motion, radius of circular motion, then we say it's rotational motion. Rotational motion. There is a difference between circular motion and rotational motion. Before considering rotational motion, you have to understand two terms. One terms rigid body and other term non-rigid body. Rigid body and non-rigid body. Here I have a body, a point mass, a very small body, a screw. If I apply a force on this screw, this screw moves in one direction, in the direction of force or some other direction. If I apply a force on the screw, the entire screw, the whole screw moves. There is no relative motion between the two particles of this screw. What is the meaning of relative motion? Suppose the distance between this point and this point is 2 millimeter. Distance between these 2 points is 2 millimeter. Now, if I apply a force on this screw, the entire screw moves. Is there any change of this distance between these 2 points? If there is any change in the distance, there is no change. Whether the screw is stationary or moving, these 2 points are at the same distance. Now what happens to our other body? Now I have this hanky. If I apply a force at one point, now consider 2 points. There are 2 points, this point P1, another point P2. They are visible to you? No, they are not visible. This one point P1, and there is another point, this point is P2. There is a certain distance between these 2 points. Now if I apply a force on any part of this body, there is a change in distance between these 2 points. There is a change distance. There is a relative motion developed between these 2 points. I am not applying the force at any point, any of these 2 points. I am applying force somewhere where? यहाँ. But there is a relative motion between these 2 points. Okay. So there are two types of bodies. There are two types of body. One body such that you apply a force at any point of the body, there is no relative motion between the different particles of body itself. बॉडी के खुद अपने पार्टिकल्स के बीच में कोई रिलेटिव मोशन डेवलप नहीं हुआ. देयर इज अनदर काइंड ऑफ बॉडी such that if you apply a force at any point, there develop a relative motion between these 2 points because the change in shape of the body. This first kind of body is called rigid body and this other kind of body is called non-rigid body.